Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back again with another vlog. Alright, so I've realized that I haven't been introducing myself in my past couple videos. Like, it's bold of me to assume that everybody know who I am, right? So hi, I am Shami, aka Dimples. If you're new here, that's it, that's all. I don't really have anything else to say. Yeah, so let's jump right into it, right? So in today's vlog I will be showing you guys it's mainly about a hike that I'm going on, right? I'm going to a hike on Blue Mountain on Saturday. That is 2 days away. I'm nervous about it, but I'm excited at the same time. So I've been preparing since June started for this hike. Today is June 22nd. I've been preparing since July. No, in about July, May end. So today I went on the road and I got some stuff that I need for the hike. So I'm gonna show you guys it. But I also got some stuff that I need for my hair because I ran out. Just some little necessities that I always have. So yeah. Also, I went out with my friends to Ochi last week Saturday, and I took some clips from that, so you guys will be seeing that right after this clip. Exciting, I know, yeah, festive, but so yeah, I'm gonna just show you what we get for the hike. So they sent a list. There's a WhatsApp group for the hike, and they sent a list in the group of stuff we would need. And so I went out and I got what I think is essential. The bill for this, it came up to $2,900. I don't think that was bad. You know, I don't think that was bad for the stuff that I got. So I got this mini rubbing alcohol because, you know, you can get mosquito can bite and any little thing, you just rub it out with that. Anything can good to have a little alcohol with you. I also got insect repellent. They recommended that we get this. I got painkillers, also recommended. I got a flashlight. I'm going to see. This is a battery included, and I'm only oops, the battery in there. The battery in there. Any other battery in there, me a boom down fontana, not really for legal purposes. That was a joke. And I also got some sneakers because them say we forget sneakers. And you have pre-workout though.
Energy.
I'm gonna get some of that in a little something and carry. Just so you know, fuel the little body. Yeah. I'm gonna open this and see what I go and feel because I'm not seeing a battery and it's a battery included. That's it. This must scan. What we did expect for a $1,300 flashlight though? I don't know. Let me see what I go and feel in there. Battery in there. Battery in there. See this one?
Oh?
You know, I'm not want nothing too heavy for weighing me down, so that's why I'm gonna get that little one here. Yeah. And I got some dry mouth moisturizing gum because you know sometimes when you walk and up there go cold, you more probably feel like you're not producing enough saliva. So I got this. This wasn't recommended. I just like and thought, let me get that. So yeah, that's basically it for the hike. I was going to buy a raincoat, but I was told not to because I'm going to get one. And yeah, that's basically it. I have my water bottle, everything inside this one. When I say I've been preparing since month start, I've actually been doing cardio 4 times a week, but this week I haven't done any, and that's really bad because the hike is in 2 days. So tomorrow I'm going to do that. Tomorrow and Friday I'm going to make it my priority to do that, and I'll probably show you guys. I'm not sure. I'll probably show you guys, but I need to do it this week for sure. And it's yeah, I need to do that. So I'm gonna put them sneakers there in the fridge. But I keep everything else in stuff. I have to bring like sheet and blanket, and them say bring 4 suit of clothes, and I got something. So I'm showing you what I get from here now. As I say, let me adjust my little necessities. Let me adjust things that me always use in my ear run out of. So let's take them out of the bag first. Alright, so first things first, Eco Gel, the green one, always the green one. No other color seems to hold my hair the way this one does, so I always get the green one. I got Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. This is what I always use. This time I got the Silky Smooth shampoo and the Rich Moisture conditioner because I put in braids and I realized that after I take out the braids my hair kind of feel dry, so I want something where make my hair feel nice and soft. And so I also got my leave-in conditioner. I always use this leave-in conditioner. It's really good. It makes your hair so soft and it smells so good. Love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is $1,300. The conditioner was $750 plus tax, of course. All of the prices I'm going to say are plus tax. $750 as well. The Eco Gel $9.85. And I also got aerosol for soap. I normally use that soap for my face, but the reason why I got it is because $200 off. They might have anniversary sale, so I'm going to say no what. I never see them have no anniversary sale up at Fontana. I'm going to see which one I can buy them here, so I'm going to take it. So. And the final thing I got, and this is kind of like my secret ingredient. This is like my secret recipe to my hair because I would just wash my hair with regular shampoo and conditioner and put it on my hair. Everyone's like, what you put in your hair? When it's really just a hair oil, but it is the Dax pomade hair oil. This is my go-to hair oil. This is what keeps my hair super shiny, super soft. Love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. You can't find this everywhere though. I'm gonna not give the place no shout out when I get it. So one of those have to, you know, go on the hunt for this. But this is really good. This is what I always do. But yeah, that's it. So I think I'm going to show you guys a little bit of my cardio session. Don't judge me. I'm not doing a formal workout. No. Just show you a little bit of that. And as I said, I have some clips from when I went to Ochi last weekend, and then I have the hike footage to film. So yeah, just stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoy. The good them go beach. The little them go beach before I see. Anyway, yeah. So see you guys in the next one.
Can see everybody wanna feel like forget the troubles and rock with me. You know feel reggae music sweet. Yeah, can see everybody wanna feel like forget the troubles and rock with me. You know feel reggae music sweet. Yeah. Pressures of your life and it tough. No stay down, mama time pick it up. No bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibe. I pick it up when the bills, them the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. But me chalice when your best friends are gone and it's only you.
Alright guys, so where we go tubing right now. The dolly them convinced me to do this one. Like, you come in, sir. Sure. say she enjoyed
Casey,
this.
go back.
By the time I reach home, it's a got ton brands. Look power, just look power good. Take a good look power. I don't know what good job. The dolly them capsize. Alright, people. Alright. Top of the morning, blessed name of Jesus. I am here about to start my cardio. It's now Friday, it's the day before the hike. I am nervous, okay? I'm nervous because I remember telling you guys that I didn't do any cardio for this week, and yesterday when I finally did it, I thought I was going to pass out. And that's not the vibes. That's not. I'm going on a 7-hour hike. I cannot pass out off 1 hour. Like, it's just not okay. So I'm going to push my limits today. I have a good feeling about today. I'm not going to show you guys because it's just me riding a bicycle in different tempo, different speeds, and then a little weighted. Yeah, but yeah, I'm nervous. After I finish doing this, I'm going to wash my hair because I want to put it in 2 braids, but I don't want to put it in 2 braids dirty, so that I don't have to carry stuff to comb my hair when I'm there, because I don't want to pack too much stuff. And that's already a struggle because we're supposed to carry sheet and blanket and clothes and all them and something. Yeah. But yeah, I didn't tell you guys who I was going on the hike with. I'm going on a hike with my boyfriend. It's just me and him. It's not just me and him, it's a group of us, but he's the only person out of the group that I know. He's the one that invited me to come. So yeah, I'm going to get this started. I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm going to pack my bag and show you guys what exactly I'm going to carry, in case there's anyone here that would ever be interested in hiking up Blue Mountain. I guess this can serve as a guide. But yeah, I'm going to pack my clothes and all these essentials they told me. I'm going to have to pack 2 bags. So listen, I can't, but I'm stressed out already. I'm going to start my workout now because it's late. I got a late start today, so I need to go and start right now. And then after that, I'm going to wash my hair and then, you know, start putting things together. So I'll see you when I'm done, and I'm going to be a mess. I'm probably going to be a little bit out of breath, but I'm a mess this morning. Let's go. All right, guys. This is the aftermath. This is how we're looking. Whew. I can't do so much. Okay. Right now, I'm going to cool down. And then go wash my hair. Might have some mascara, I'm not sure. But I guess I'm tired. I went through the full time, by the way. As I said, I had a good feeling about it. I can't talk. I had a good feeling about today since I forfeited yesterday halfway through. I didn't know that today I come back stronger. So that means I can manage for tomorrow, because if we did wait till today for do what we do yesterday, I might start fret about tomorrow. But this is my arm issue. This is how we're looking. So let me drink some water. I'm thirsty. Yeah, so I went ahead and washed up and washed my hair. So now I'm going to get into packing. I'm kind of stressed out because I don't know where to start. I don't know. I try to think the best way to make the bag lights, and there's nothing coming to mind. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to organize everything that I'm going to need and just lay them out and show them before I pack the bag. Packing the bag is going to be a pain in my ass because I'm just like a try. But yeah, just put my hair in a 2 camera, as I said. So that one here ugly, that one here nice, but that one here ugly. Because I can't manage to go comb here and just brush up my edges and wake up and go. So yeah. So I'm going to start taking out the stuff now. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is everything that I have laid out. I have this pouch here with some feminine products, and I have these like, you know, like when you're having joint pain, you wrap these around. I have this one, but I just want the extra one in case, you know, two places hurting at once. I have my flashlights, the gum, my bathing rag, and my toothbrush, alcohol, vape, when I say that already. I have some menstrual painkillers in case anything, and these Panadol painkillers. I also have the Snickers here. Have my clothes that put in the bag already. Camera. Anyway, yes, I'm just packing these up in there. I'm telling you, I'm done packing it now. Look pretty for me at why do I have two bags? One of them is not coming with me, granted, but the one that is, it's very heavy. I'm gonna try to see what I can take out of my bag. I put in a such man bag because I'm not cared all of this. Honest to God, I'm not taking. I cannot. Like, I know, like, an hour into the journey, the bag will start feel like stone in there, and I'm not depend it. So yeah, I'm going to eat something now. It's 5 o'clock. Let's go and eat something now and then just chill. So I'll pick you guys back up in the morning. Tell people good morning. It is currently 7 o'clock and we're supposed to meet the group at 7:30. But in true Mr. Sir fashion, we're late. And we're making a stop before we head to the group. But it now look good for the dolls then, people. The bag them heavy. And we're kind of worried about that, but it is what it is. We'll reach. Not we'll reach, an hour and we were supposed to leave at 8. It's currently 8:30 and I'm in a movement I make. I don't know at what point when I'm hearing them drop out, but one of them drop out. And right now it's just so hot. Hopefully when we get there it's cooler because it's extremely hot here. I don't know what time plan for, like what time we're gonna reach. I will stay for the night if we wanna leave out yet. I thought, I don't know. Like, we'll see.
So yes guys, this is my YouTube channel.
How do you know about me?
This is my YouTube channel. And we're here, you know, we're here going on a trip to Blue Mountain. You know, it's gonna be epic, guys. Stay tuned to see me suffer. Early nature. My move. I just
Kasi kaya manage it. Not really a newcomer though. So far so good. We'd have to, everybody cross two bridge and we'd have to come off and walk in at the water because I never go drop in front of everybody and make them laugh at me. So we're not really reaching away still. Everybody is resting. Right now we have our bags down. So, I'm still about 4 or 5 o'clock. It's about 10:30, 11 now. I have a very long way to go, but yeah. Oh yeah, enjoy the journey so far.
It's bad, man. Bad. Nice.
Your foot a shake, sir.
Yeah, down the hill end. Work on the flat good.
I'm gonna but it's a long stop now. I have 30 minutes here. It's now 1 o'clock. And we'll just move off from our stop.
Sanchez, straight.
So it's currently 3 minutes past 3, and I think we're about to climb Jacob's ladder. Everybody are create excitement about weight rough. I'm not sorry to take a cabin at this point. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. We made it. Mongo. Darn.
Nobody know but yeah, for the door. The myself. Eh? No, the window go lock. Where the lock it? Well, I know, so when they get behind the door, when the door pull, the breeze now catch up. You see everybody over on the side there, as the door fly up.
So we just show I'll come collect food. Honestly, I'm going to my bed now. Yes, when the hearing correctly, it's about 26. Cool, man. The water there. The water they never normal, but you know they have to do what you have to do. As her thugs. So I know I can't see nothing, but it's currently after 1. I will try to go for the peak so I can catch the sunrise. Because apparently it's starting at 4:30. It's a regular time because it's a summertime, so pitch black. Right. What do you guys about? Right.
We just slowly stop and take picture because I nice look of you and catch
Sure.
Yeah, so it pass and come and go.
Alright guys, so this is it. We're at the top and all that's running is fag. I'm very upset right now. I feel like my waist type up. Yeah. The journey was interesting. Test my limits, but at the same time, I walk, I look at the sunrise and I feel like this was the hardest part. I'm doing seat and like there were so many spots on the trail that's why I want to stop right at the time because what no everybody want to prove so they want more man than everybody else. And did one come at the top. I come at the top.
Such a girl statement.
And no, because Carif literally never did I go stop down there.
You want to stop on a viewpoint?
Yes. And you see where you're coming at, you're not getting pussy nothing. When you could have seen the sunrise and then walk come up first. Yeah. We never see no sunrise. We just see fog revolving around us.
No stay down, mama time pick it up. No bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibe. I pick it up when the bills, them the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. from your chalice. When your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like a split them up the music. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet. Yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet. Yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. For every pain there's a melody. Yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who say life no order? And every man got this struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord, and let me overcome my struggles. Skanking sweet, yeah. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. We skanking till the morning come. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah.
Okay guys, so I'm now home. I'm home. As you can see, the two camera them gone. Listen, that needed to go ASAP because it looked very rough. But I'm home. I made it home, and I'm glad I did it. I'm glad I did it. It was a really good experience. I had fun. It was 10 out of 10. If I can manage it, I would recommend. And I would recommend doing it with people who who have light energy, right? Not saying that I got any bad vibes over the weekend. That's why I'm saying do it with people who have light energy, because everyone that was there had light energy. So yeah, do it with people who have light energy, and it should be pretty. The views, pictures don't do them justice. Trust me, it's so beautiful. You have to see it firsthand. As I said, that little thing what made it upset about is the fact that we walked so far to the peak and did not get to see the sunrise. When we could have viewpoints and then go to the peak after. But hey, man, right? Yeah. So yeah, right now the only thing hurting are my calves. Other than that, I am good. Yeah. How many do I want to tell you now? Alright, let's see. The biggest scare when I met up with the group, because some of the people went on the hike already, they were like kind of scaring me because they were saying how, well, they weren't intentionally scaring me, but how they were talking, it was kind of scary. They were saying Jacob's ladder is a killer. When you go on Jacob's ladder, you go turn back and Jacob's ladder this, Jacob's ladder that, Jacob's ladder this. Honestly, for me, it wasn't that bad. I would take going up Jacob's ladder again over climbing to the peak. That was the hardest part for me, going to the peak. I don't know why, but I hated it. I did not like the journey up to the peak. Jacob's ladder was child's play compared to walking up to the peak. But yeah, that's how I personally feel. That's just how I feel. So if you have a different opinion, adjust so. But yeah, the temperature at the top, I had on a shirt and 2 sweaters, was not enough. Definitely was not enough. It was so cold. So if you want to go, that's another thing to prepare for. And also keep in mind that it is summer, so it would be colder in the winter months. Another thing, the water, excruciatingly cold. It's so cold. But you know, man a general, so wally like a gene at the back of feel 1 or 2, you know. 1 or 2 make the world know, say, yeah. But it was very cold. It was very, very cold. Like, it cold to the point where come like me now feel my body. It cold till it's hot. Yeah, that's it's cold till it's hot. But it was a really good experience, and I would do it again minus the journey to Jacob's ladder. It was so long. It took us We started walking at 10 something and we got to the cabin, I think 5 o'clock. It was a very long walk. And then couple hours to reach up to the peak, and I'm not certain on the amount, so I won't say, but it took us a little while to reach up to the peak. But yeah, really good experience. We'd do it again if we don't have to walk from Mavis Bank to Jacob's Ladder. But that's basically all. That's the end of the video. I should also say the act dry mouth book saved my life. Right now I have one single one left. It was so good. It was so helpful. It was amazing. If you run out of water or you don't want to drink too much water, perfect. But yeah, that's all for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I don't know why I'm pointing my finger down a while ago. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you've been there before, you can relate your experience, or if you're interested in going, or you know, anything, just comment something down in the comment section. If you've reached this point, which marks the end of the video, you can go ahead and drop a mountain emoji in the comment section down below. So yeah, that's all. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and edit this video now and see if I can put it up for you guys by tomorrow, so you guys can have it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. So until then,